Hello, I hope you found this video series useful. I created it as a getting started with best practices guide to consuming the Watson Developer Cloud services with Python on the Bluemix environment. And I've tried to cover the language services that are most used at events like this. Today, we're at the tail end of a cognitive challenge for the Spanish Tourist Board, where I'm the lead mentor for the cognitive services. And it's at these kind of events that I actually learn how the services are used, some of the difficulties that people face and how to overcome those hurdles. And if you have found this useful, I would like to create a new series based on the next set of Watson language services that are, again, most requested and for which there are the next level of difficulty in actually getting started. As I said, I hope you found this useful. If you are ever at a hackathon or a cognitive challenge, look out for me, come over, say hello, and we'll have a chat. Thank you very much.